up? 2007 Nissan Versa 1.8, straight to the point. No a crank, car cranks, but wouldn't start. Right? No check engine light, no nothing. I thought it was a fuel pump. Fuel pump wound up buzzing. Check the pressure. Lo and behold, I sprayed some throttle body cleaner. Starting fluid in it. She kind of, I just kept holding it. She finally started. Check engine light came on. Mass airflow sensor. Took the mass airflow sensor out. Cleaned it. Put it back in. Boom. Air filter was dirty too, but no check engine light. So if you're having a problem with a 2007 Nissan Versa, no check engine light, and look, now I can turn it off and start it back up. Starts up fine. Take the mass airflow sensor out. It's right by that throttle. You know what I'm talking about. Mass airflow sensor. It's raining now, so I ain't got time for it. 2 7mm screws, a connector. Pull it out, clean it. Some brake cleaner, some mass airflow cleaner. Dry it up. Put it back in. See if that works. Mass airflow sensor. Right there by the throttle body. You feel me? By the hose, that little hose. Pop the hood, right-hand corner. Connector, mass airflow sensor. Y'all know what I'm talking about. All right? Try cleaning that and then see if it works. Peace. Because everybody had these long-ass videos, 15 minutes. Nigga, just get to the point. Mass airflow sensor. Clean it first. And it could be the fuel pump too, but whatever. We just replaced the fuel pump 2 years ago. All right, y'all.